Hello everyone, welcome back to the beautgenix, and you are watching my channel for the first time means just take a moment for subscribe my video and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. Some of our subscriber is asked to do the video in English because the other language people can't understand the language what I'm saying. What I thought is I'm going to do the video in English weekly once. So I think I'm not that much good in English because I'll make many grammatical mistakes. So uh, kindly bear with me. And today we are going to see about the smoky eye makeup. So without any delay, let's just get on to the video. So for the eyeshadow, so I've taken today two palettes, and the one is the Jaclyn Hill, which is the duplicate one. This is not original. So I bought on Amazon. No, I bought in Flipkart for 300 rupees. So the original cost around 1200 around. Yes. So I'm just taking one brush and I just take a tissue paper and rub the excess product which is already have in the brush. So I'm not that much good in English, so there will be many grammatical mistakes. So I think everyone understand my English because I'm speaking Tanglish. For the transition area, I will pick this brown and this black mixed color. So I just take teeny bit of two. I'm going to start. So I just applied near my transition area. After that, I'm blending to the outer V and inner eye corner. So you can look the difference of both eye. I applied the dark brownish with black color which is in my right eye. So the same I'm going to do in my left eye in off camera. So I've completed the transition area. So let's move on to the center part of the eye, which is eyelid. So for the eyelid area, I'm going to use the another palette which is named as Miss Rose, and I've bought in Flipkart. So many colorful colors in this eyeshadow palette. So in this palette, I'm going to pick a black one, black color. So I'm taking the tissue, getting the excess product from the brush. I've taken black color, then so I've applied a black color in my eye, and I applied the black color in my left eye in the off camera. So I'm just taking my tissue and taking the excess product from the low lash line. I'm going to take a black kajal. So I'm going to put in my upper lash line and my lower lash line as well. So after completing this, I'm just taking the Nika highlighting palette. So I'm just going to apply a teeny bit of highlighter in my brow bone area. So I'm taking one pointed brush like this, and yeah. So now I'm going to do my mascara section. Have you watched my video, friends? This semi smoky eyeshadow quite easy for all the peoples. I think everyone can make this eyeshadow look. So if you like this video, click the like button without any delay, and if you find this is useful, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I think this is your first time you are watching my video, means don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon as well. So this is my first time I'm doing English, so kindly bear with my poor English. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Take care.